Hello everyone, my name is Pranav. Welcome to my channel, The Knowledge Hub. The first video is on the topic prepositions. So, the definition of a preposition is a preposition is a word placed before a noun and pronoun to show the relationship between the people or the things denoted by it and something else, as we saw a horse on the road. I am fond of ice creams. The monkey jumped off the table. In sentence A, the preposition joins a noun to another noun. In sentence B, the preposition joins a noun to an adjective. In sentence C, the preposition joins a noun to a verb. Then, the noun or pronoun which is used with a preposition is called its object. A preposition may have more than one object, as they ran across the hill and the plain. Hill and the plain are the two objects, and across is the preposition used over here. The word preposition is usually placed before its object, but sometimes it's placed after its object, as please give the book that I asked for. What are you looking at? That is the people whom I was speaking of. When the object is the relative pronoun, that as in sentence A, the preposition is always placed at the end. The preposition is usually placed at the end when its object is an interrogative pronoun, as in sentence B, or a relative pronoun understood in sentence C. Note that sometimes the object is placed before for the sake of emphasis, as Gandhiji is known the entire world over that he insists on. Prepositions of time: at, in, and on. At is used with an exact point of time. The bell rang at 2 o'clock. The train departed at 2 o'clock. At is also used with festivals, at Christmas, at Easter's, because Christmas, we use at with festivals because, like Christmas, it's an exact point of time. Means it's so it will be on 24th of December only. It won't be 2 days before or 2 days after. Then in. In is used with the periods of time. Our friend arrived in the morning. The museum will be closed in July. The school will reopen in March. On is used with days and date, which includes the day. We played cricket on Sunday. On is the preposition used and Sunday is the day. The battle was fought on 6th of October. Means on is the preposition used and 6th of October is date. In and on are not used with before today, yesterday, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, last, or next. I am going shopping tomorrow. We won't say I am going on shopping tomorrow. We won't say I am going in shopping tomorrow. We'll say that I am going shopping tomorrow. Then it rained heavily last Sunday. We won't say it rained heavily in last Sunday. We won't say it heavily rained on last Sunday. We'll just say it rained heavily last Sunday. Notice the difference between on time and in time. On time means punctuality. In time means before the time appointed. She got to the cinema on time. That is just before the film began. She got to the cinema in time to have a talk with her friends. That is before the film began. Now, she got to the cinema on time. Now, on time is punctuality. Means just before the film began, she was at the cinema. Now, then, before the film began means she got to the cinema at time. Means there was time left for the film to begin and she reached at time to cinema to talk to her friends. Then in before a noun denoting a period of time means at the end of, within means before the end of. As Tom will arrive in 10 minutes. Now it's denoting a period of time. 10 minutes in is used over here. I shall return within an hour means 1 घंटा खत्म होने से पहले ही मैं वापस आ जाऊंगा. I shall return within an hour. By. When used as a preposition, by has the meaning not later than. The field must be plowed by the end of this month. It is therefore important to distinguish between by and at. Compare these two commands. Bring the book to the office by 10 o'clock means तुम्हें किताब लेके 10 बजे के आसपास मेरे ऑफिस आ जाना है. Now the second command is bring the book to the office at 10 o'clock. Means you do not have to come before 10, you have to come on 10 only. Bring the books to the office at 10 o'clock. Note the expression by a day means during the day. So I'll be ending this video over here. Do like, share and subscribe, and the link for the notes which I have used to teach you all, the link for them are in the description, and I have also prepared a Google practice form for you all so that you can configure that how much you have learned from this video. And also comment your doubts in the comment section, and if you are not comfortable by sending the doubts in the comment section, there will be an email given in the description box. You can email your doubts on it, and I will surely try to solve your doubts. Thank you and Jai Hind.